For our Italian frittata, we're going to continue with some of our mise en place. We're going to take our fresh basil and we're going to cut it into chiffonades, which means we're going to slice it into ribbons. To do that, we just take our basil leaf, roll it up a bit. Do a couple of them at a time. And with our chef knife, we'll just slice them into ribbons. Now we're also going to cut up our red pepper. We need some diced red bell pepper. Here's a kind of an easy way to do it. Instead of just slicing it in half, take your knife, go down the top here, and right in that little crease, just cut it all the way down to the bottom. Do the same on this side. So you're actually going to be taking out this section. And then, right along where the stem is, just slice down. Now that's going to reduce a lot of the waste that you would normally have. Now you don't want this membrane, so just slice all that white membrane out. That really has no advantage for taste or nutrients or anything. And we're going to cut off just a couple little pieces because that's what we're going to really need. And once again, we're just going to dice these up. While we're at it, we might as well beat up our eggs. Again, these are just 3 room temperature eggs. Obviously, if you're making a larger frittata, you'll need more eggs. Again, do not add any milk or cream to it. A little bit of water if you want, but I never do while making a frittata. We're going to salt and pepper it at this moment. When preparing a frittata, it's important to use an oven-proof pan because we are going to be placing this under the broiler to finish off. We have our omelet pan heated up over medium heat, and we're going to add our butter. Spreading it around the pan once again to get all sides. Then we're going to add our egg mixture. And we're just going to loosen the bottom by scrambling the center. And running our spatula along the sides just to loosen it up. Our omelet's set up very nicely. Now I'm going to add my ingredients. I have some blanched asparagus tips. Now this is an open face flat omelet. We're not going to be folding it. So we can put our ingredients all over. Some fresh garlic. our diced red pepper. Fresh basil. Sun-dried tomatoes. And our Parmesan cheese. Now I'm going to put this under the broiler until it just browns up and melts the cheese. Frittatas are not just a breakfast meal, they're also wonderful for a luncheon or a dinner. I like to serve them with sliced tomato.